In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Cocolife insurance bills using GCash. By the end, you'll feel confident completing your payment in just a few taps with everything entered correctly the first time. Start by opening your GCash app on your phone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough GCash balance to cover the amount you plan to pay. Once you're on the home screen, look for the bills icon and tap it. This is where GCash groups all billers so you can pay securely in-app. On the Bills page, select Insurance. This narrows the list to insurance providers. Use the search bar at the top and type Cocolife. When you see Cocolife appear, tap it to open the payment form. You're now in the right place to enter your details. First, enter the amount. Type the exact premium or due amount shown on your statement. Avoid rounding up or down. Entering the precise figure helps ensure your payment is posted correctly. Next, fill in the payment purpose. Choose or type a brief description that matches what you're paying for, such as premium or renewal, so the insurer knows how to allocate your payment. Now, enter the application number. This is a unique identifier for your policy or application with the insurer. You'll usually find it on your policy documents or billing notice. Type it carefully, paying attention to every digit and letter. After that, enter the account name. This should be the full name of the policyholder exactly as it appears on the insurance records. Use the correct spelling and the same name format to avoid delays in posting. Before you proceed, make sure all details are accurate. Double-check the amount, confirm the payment purpose matches your intent, verify the application number character by character, and ensure the account name is complete and correct. Small mistakes here are the most common reason for posting delays. Once everything looks good, tap. Next, you'll see a summary of the information you entered. Review it one more time. If you spot an error, go back and fix it. If everything is correct, tap. Confirm to finalize the transaction. After a moment, you should see a successful payment message on your screen indicating that your payment has been submitted. That's it. Your Cocolife insurance bill is now paid using GCash. Thanks for watching, and follow these steps each time to keep your payments smooth and on time.